Many sneaker resellers have made hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by flipping bricks. To flip a brick, you must first know what a brick is. You'll also have to know how to flip one. A brick, in sneaker terminology, is a pair of shoes that flops on the resale market. It was either supposed to perform well on the aftermarket and didn't, or was never supposed to perform well on the aftermarket and held to not performing well. This lack of performance typically happens when a large quantity of a specific pair of sneakers is produced, and the demand for that sneaker just isn't there. Or maybe the demand is there, but so many dead stock pairs are in circulation that resellers are not selling them at a high resale price. While some resellers see this as a loss because they aren't making a ton of money per pair of sneakers, other resellers see this as an opportunity to flip bricks. They purchase a large number of sneakers that have brick and sell them for aftermarket value. This results in a large number of sales that will add up to produce a nice profit. But which pairs make great brick flips? From where to get those pairs? What is the right time to do so? And from where should we start? Don't worry. If you want to start out sneaker reselling, you have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. They will save you a lot of time doing the research yourself. We have created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money by investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the video description to learn more about how you can increase your profits as a brick flipper. What actually brick flipping is. The most high-profile sneaker resellers tend to trade in the highest-end sneakers. These are the people who make it difficult, if not impossible, to buy a Jordan 1 high on release day, and who drive up the market value of Chunky Dunkies and Travis Scotts. Their business is snatching up the hottest, most illustrious sneakers and putting them in the hands of whatever buyers are willing to pay the price. But less splashy, less headline-grabbing resellers, with their cut-rate Air Maxes and Air Forces, represent an increasingly large portion of the multi-billion-dollar sneaker resale market. These guys aren't bothering with $1,000 Chicago highs or ultra-hot Air Diors. They're engaged in a practice they call brick flipping, and it can be very, very profitable. In resale language, brick flipping means buying and selling readily available sneakers at or under the cost at retail. Bricks are contrasted with sneakers described as hype, shorthand for any shoe that resells for more than 50% over its original sticker price. Jordan 1 High Hyper Royale, which has been selling for roughly 150% of its retail cost, is hype. A classic, ubiquitous white Air Force One is a brick. The former is hard for even high-level resellers to get a hold of, but is virtually guaranteed to score high profits. The latter is easy enough to find, and their margins are slim, but they are consistent and reliable. Increasingly, brick flipping is becoming the sneaker resale norm. On resale site StockX, for instance, bricks are right up there on the bestseller list, besides some of the most popular and talked about shoes of the moment. The best-selling Nike on StockX, in fact, the #1 bestseller over the past 12 months and the #1 bestseller of all time, is the white Air Force One. You can walk into any Foot Locker in the country and buy a pair in your size, and yet the shoe was bought and sold on the platform over 40,000 times over the past year. Its average sale price hovers around $100, just about retail. Another major seller is the Adidas Ultra Boost 4.0, which runs for an average price of $130, or $50 under its retail price. Over the past 12 months, it's been bought and sold more than 12,000 times. You can still make profits if you are just starting. For example, if you sell a pair of Air Jordan 1 mids for a $20 profit, it's still a brick flip, but you only made $20. However, if you can buy 10 pairs of the same mids for retail price and quickly flip them all for the same $20 profit, now you're looking at a total of $200 profit. This is how many resellers are making money with brick flips. There's two main ways you're going to be obtaining your shoes, either online or in stores near you. Buy a pair of grade school Air Force Ones at Marshall's on sale for $34.99. Flip it on eBay or Discord or Facebook Marketplace for $80. Repeat the process until you reach your profit goals. If you still have any questions, BrickRadar members know the answer to that question. Members know exactly which pairs to go after and buy in bulk to flip for a profit. They also know the best retailers to buy sneakers from, the best platforms to sell sneakers on, and exactly how much risk they are acquiring by buying into different sneakers. You'll receive all of this information and more by being part of BrickRadar. It's the ultimate reselling community. At the end of the day, flipping bricks can be profitable if you're able to secure enough of them and sell them all for a small profit. It's a great way to make a couple $100 by buying a lot of a certain sneaker and just simply selling it for $10 or $20 above what you paid for. Click the link in the video description to learn more about BrickRadar. With BrickRadar, you can actually start making money today if you're looking for a great tool that's going to help you in your journey on reselling shoes, or if you're just looking for the tools to help you get started in the reselling game. Honestly, you've come to the right place, so hopefully this is everything you needed to hear to get started with your sneaker reselling career. Go ahead and sign up today to start making profits.